everyone, welcome to our channel Shivaina Ki Duniya. So it's been a long time that we didn't make any vlog, so thought of making it today. So since we are going to Shimla with my cute kiddo Pari, Raina, and of course the papa, our driver as usual. So Pari, what are you holding in your hands and what are you eating? Oh wow, you're eating chocolate cake. Can I have a bite? Oh my god, she simply ignored me as if she didn't listen to what I said. Shiva, I asked for a bite from your cake. Oh my god, she's not even listening to me. Starts from here only, not exactly from here, but yeah, you can see the mountains and you get the feel like, oh, we are traveling to mountains. So the same route we can go to Kasauli as well. From Dharampur there is a diversion towards left which goes to towards Kasauli, and straight we will go to Shimla. So the mountain seems like having a velvet layer. It's been long now that we have come to this route. Last we went to Kasauli, and when was that? I guess it was in 2022, if I'm not wrong. Maybe. And I remember it was raining so heavily, but I enjoyed that trip. The weather was so pleasant. So this is Himachal's state entry, basically a toll plaza, you can say. So this is the second toll. Well, I'm not sure about the charges applicable because the rate list is not mentioned here. So this left road goes towards Kasauli and straight is Shimla. So this is Kasauli road. It gives a different vibe by listening to old songs when you're traveling to hills, isn't it? It all together gives a different vibe. I mean, you just go back into the old era. अच्छा, आप तो बहुत साल पहाड़ों में रहे ना भाई? जब आपने शुरू में जॉब करना शुरू किया था, शिमला रहे, कहाँ रहे? शिमला 1.5 साल शिमला, 5-6 साल नाहन। तो अभी जैसे ट्रैवल करते तो आपको अपनी पुरानी यादें, बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर जब मैंने जॉब करना शुरू किया था तो कुछ उस टाइम की चीज़ें, जैसे कुछ रास्ते, कुछ सॉन्ग्स, वो सब चीज़ें ना अपने पुराने टाइम की यादें दिला देती हैं। शिमला का रूट सारा चेंज हो गया। नहीं, रूट तो ऑब्वियस ही बात है, चेंज हो भी गया होगा, इतनी डेवलपमेंट हो जाती है सिटीज़ की आजकल। पर वैसे आपको कैसा लगता है? पुराने दिन याद आते हैं कि यहाँ पे बैठ के मैं चाय पिया करता था? शिमला हमारा ऑफिस यहाँ होता था। शिमला आता हूँ तो होता ही है कि जहाँ ऑफिस था, ये था, वहाँ पे शिमला में मैं गली पता है मेरे को। पर अब की बात अलग होती होगी, पहले का अलग ही जाम आता है। अभी भी आता हूँ तो पुराने बंदों से मिल जाता हूँ, मैं तो आता ही रहता हूँ।
Is Solan
So
bus
this
stand.
is Solan bus stand. In case if someone wants to travel through bus, so this is Solan bus stand. Hill station is also now very congested. It's been commercialized. So we have almost reached Kanda Ghat.
ये रास्ता चलता है
Okay.
ये वाला
So this road towards right is going to Chehel. It's towards Chehel and this
चहल
Chehel. And this is towards Kanda Ghat.
कंधा का
It's
डेंटो
quite congested. You know, the hill stations are these days so commercialized. You hardly see, space.
ये क्रॉसिंग की कंधा का मेन बाजार
So this is the main bazaar of Kanda Ghat.
and we'll be staying nearby only in a
Yeah.
resort by the name.
So we have almost reached our destination. We're going towards our resort, Adventure Hills in Kanda Ghat. We'll be staying here today. Not exactly today, for 3 days, and then tomorrow we'll be going to Shimla. So this is the way towards the resort. View is awesome. Oh my God, it's quite steep.
So this is the main entry to the resort, but this is very inclined, very steep. A new driver may not be able to come here. Now this is the main entry. So this is the parking area, and this is the main entry of hotel.
So from here we'll be entering the reception area. And that's just a small lobby area, and this way are rooms for first floor, and straight is restaurant. The best thing is, like, the one thing that I like the most, they have paintings of Himachal Pradesh for different places, and that's amazing. And paintings are quite old. So this is the restaurant area. This side is pantry, and from here we can go out. The views. So there's a sitting arrangement here also. We can enjoy our meal outside. During winters we can enjoy the sunlight here, and during summers, of course, not in the daytime. Obviously, in the night time the wind would be very cold, chilly. So overall, it's an amazing experience staying here in this resort. And that's a play area. Just a small chess setup is there, wherein we can have we can play chess. And then this way towards right is the backside of rooms that are on first floor. And this is a garden. You can see a garden or a porch area, and there's a Buddha statue there. So this is the view from here. Our room balcony view was towards outside, towards the main road, and this is the view towards the hotel inside. Although we can get the view of outside city as well. So towards left, there are luxury cottages, and then here straight we'll be going. We have bar area, sky bar. We have spa and wellness area. Gym is there. A play zone for kids as well as for the adults are there, wherein we can have indoor games. So that's a conference room. Upstairs, that's Zenzi Disco. Adjoining this disco, there's a restaurant. And then here we are having spa and wellness. So here's a small gym, and then there is a swimming pool. Although there are no lifeguards on duty, so it's clearly mentioned swim at your own risk. So one should be careful, especially with the kids. And this is gym area. And upstairs we have gaming zone. So Shivika is excited to go to play zone. This area is made of wood. It's a small hut kind of. Okay, so this particular section is for kids especially. They have block games, they have chess. They have the small toys, swings. Yes, baby? Shiva, no, keep it there only. So this is table tennis, this is foosball, and I don't know about this one, which game is this, so I don't know the name. This is billiards, this is carom board. We can also play badminton. Actually, me and Abhay, we came here first day and we played badminton. So this is nice play zone. We can come and relax here. So this is the second floor. And that's the lobby area wherein the rooms are located. Room. Shivik and Raina, they are busy with this phone, diary and pen. I don't know whom she is talking to, but they both are busy in all these things. So this is just a small balcony with such a beautiful view.
पेंसिल क्यों जिसके हाथ में दीवार पे चढ़ाने लगी है?
So the morning view of balcony is very amazing. You get direct sunlight. It's good in the time of winters, but summers may to it would be very, very tough. Kiddos are enjoying the sunlight. Yes, baby. So we have left our hotel for the day. We are going to Shimla. Let's see what all places we'll be exploring. We have decided to go to Jakku temple, and then there is a place in Chel, Tara Devi Mandir. Where exactly it is?
Near to Shogi.
Shogi.
Before Shimla.
Before Shimla. So we have left the hotel. Let's see what will be our first destination. Wow, the view is so amazing.
आई रोड दिख रही थी सामने पिछों ना ਇਹ ਉੱਪਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਘੁੰਮ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਘੁੰਮ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਪਹਾੜੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ
So Raina ma'am is quiet. She's wondering where are we heading towards. Raina, why are you so quiet? Say hi. Acha Shiva, what are you doing? Our driver sahab. So driver sahab, where are we going first?
We are going to Shogi, and from there there's a diversion towards Tara Devi temple, which must be somewhere around not more than 4 to 5 kilometers from there.
Okay.
So let's check it out, because this is for the first time I'll be going there. Because I have been in Shimla for a long time, but I've never been to Tara Devi temple. So let's see what happens.
Okay, so we'll be able to cover. So we'll be able to cover all these places, like.
Yes. From there we'll go to Shimla, and Shimla we'll check it out if we can move to Kufri. Depending upon the circumstances, we may go to Kufri, and by the time we'll be coming back, we'll be staying in you can say in Shimla. We'll go to Mall Road, Ridge, these places and all. Then we'll come to this Kandakata resort once again.
So this is our itinerary. Let's see how much we'll be able to cover today.
There's another place, Tattapani. Even I'm not very sure how far is that place from here.
Okay.
But if we can manage to go there by today or maybe by tomorrow, so we'll go there also.
Okay. Let's see. So Shivu, are you enjoying? Now what are you holding? What's in your hand? What's there in your hand? Raina is sleeping. She's so tired. The moment she woke up, they both were like running here and there. They enjoyed a lot, and now she's tired. Shivika, say something. Say hi, hello, anything. You don't want to say anything? Okay, tell me, are you enjoying? Shivika is not in a mood to talk. जहाँ तुम ले चलो कहो कहाँ चले जहाँ तुम ले चलो फिर भी मंजिल कहाँ जहाँ हमसे मिलो कहो कहाँ चले जहाँ तुम ले चलो फिर भी मंजिल कहाँ जहाँ हमसे मिलो कहो कहाँ चले जहाँ तुम ले चलो This is a kind of main market of Shogi.
But that was an Alpali.
So how far is Tara Devi temple from here?
3 to 4 kilometers.
3-4 kilometers. Okay.
मंदिर को जाने के लिए शोकी तो ओ शिमला जाने लेफ्ट
So this is road towards Tara Devi temple.
लेफ्ट वाली शिमला.
The left one is towards Shimla.
This is towards Tara Devi. Very steep. उधर में ऐसे रास्ते वापस आए थे ना मेली हो गए आई रास्ते तो अपन मेली भी जा सकते हैं
कुछ भी मेरे हमराही तो तुम न होते मेरे हमराही
शोकी ने शिमला उधर जाना
Back. So this road goes towards Tara Devi Mandir. Shivi.
शिवी आजा बेटा
So we've reached the Tara Devi temple.
लाइट क्यों चलाई है पीछे? शिवा आ जाओ बेटा। बोलो जय माता दी।
चलो शिवा चलो चलो आ जाओ। So we were not able to capture the inside view of temple because photography and videography were not allowed. But it was very beautiful. Such a soothing and peaceful atmosphere. Shivik and Raina both are enjoying. So from Tara Devi Mandir, so there is another temple which is Dudadhari temple. The distance would be hardly 1 kilometer.
Extreme height.
Yeah, that's true. It's on an extreme height, and the
extreme height, and
the
you
roads
can
are quite steep,
And you can see the incline. It's
and the turns are like you can see.
how steep is the incline?
Temple is on a height, and the roads are quite steep. So we have reached Shimla, and that's Jakho temple there.
यहाँ पे लिफ्ट है Mall Road and
So
Bridge.
this is a lift. You can use this lift to go to Mall Road and Ridge.
ध्यान रखो कितने का हुआ।
So this is Shimla's Mall Road. Shiva, chalo.
Okay.
पहले आना था। किससे बचाओ आपको?
And now we are at Shimla Mall Road Ridge. This is a place where generally people prefer to come, and in the winter season, especially when it, you know, snow falls heavily, then this place looks like awesome. And this is the place where the shooting was done for many of the movies. I mean, the shooting has been done, especially Three Idiots. So this is very nice place to visit at this particular time. This is Ridge. The people who have been here, obviously they'll not be much curious about it, but especially for the people who are living far off from Shimla or from Chandigarh, they people may feel like coming here after seeing our vlog. Thank you. Now this is the most famous church.
नहीं लाइट चाहिए ना।
There's one important thing. There's
Nana
one.
is asking for a help. She's again and again saying, "बचाओ, बचाओ."
पापा मुझे
As if we are kidnapping her.
पापा पकड़ ले। पापा पकड़ ले मुझे लाइट।
बचाओ, बचाओ.
Rana say bachao.
She was sorry, Raina.
And this is the Shimla city night view.
So we have done the checkout and we are going back home. In between we'll be going to Mohn Heritage, and see, the hotel is on quite height and the roads are quite steep here.
पापा देखो मुझे डर में गया।
The view was amazing from this hotel. गाड़ी बहुत गंदी हो रही है। Solan is 15, Chail is 29, Ambala is 117 kilometers away. So this is Kalunda Ghat market. hotel guy told us that it's approximately 5 kilometers away, far. But it seems to be more than that, around 8 to 10. And the road is quite narrow, one way, single road, and that's very narrow.
है ना? Oh yeah.
We've almost come at a ground level from top to
Board दे दो.
bottom. I'm not sure whether this is, yeah, this is only. The board says that this is Heritage Center. Mohan Sthal, the Indian Heritage Center. The name is like this. Sharp bend, route, slope.
बढ़िया तो नहीं है. पार्किंग बना दी. Okay, so we have now finally reached the Mohan's Heritage Park. It's basically not a park, it's a temple basically here. It's in district Solan. So this is the parking area, and here is this seems to be the main entry. So even I am coming here for the first time, so I don't have any idea as to what is going to be inside. Maybe just a temple, or if there is any other tourist attraction kind of a thing or something, I don't know. So let's check it out. Let's move inside. Okay, so now this is the main entry with a beautiful view. You can see a building. I think that must be the main building of temple. So here is the main entry. So we are going inside now. Shivika is now, it seems she is being very happy. She is being naughty also. She's not even listening to us. Same is the case with Raina. Even she is being so naughty and she is not listening to us. Both of my kids are like this only. And I think everyone's kids are like this only.
It doesn't feel like that we are on a vacation. It feels like that kids are on vacation and we have just accompanied them to take care of them. That's it.
We are the caretakers actually.
Yeah.
भूतू नहीं आएगा बेटा, पापा के साथ आओ. पापा फिर भूतू को पिटाई भी कर देगा. आप पापा के साथ आओ.
Wow, so there's a statue of Shiv Parvati.
रायना, आजा पापा पास. जल्दी आओ. जल्दी जल्दी आ जाओ. पापा की उंगली कौन पकड़ेगा? नो, इधर नहीं जाना. पापा के साथ, मम्मा के साथ. चलो चलो. कैटी आ गई है. कैटी आई है देख. आ गई कैटी. वो लेना, जूस लेना. बताओ। नहीं मैं नहीं करता, नहीं करती हुई है।
Yes, I know.
एवं बुद्धि परम बुद्ध्वा संस्थाप्यात्मात्मना जयतु महाबाहो।
Abhay is struggling to get control on both of them, but they're not even listening. So this is a small park showing wild animals. So just they have shown the wildlife. And the temple view was amazing. It was very beautifully built. The stone carved statues of all the devas, all the gods were there with the pictures depicting in the stone carved. It was depicting Raktavijavad, Mahishasura with all the roots of Devi Ma. And it also shows the Mahabharata story wherein you can see in the entry the main Rath is there, which is the Krishna was the Sathi and Arjun was at the time of Yuddha. And here you can see this is Jayadratha one. And there's these statue showing the Dushasana what.
परमात्मा ने मनुष्य को करता है न कर्म से जोड़ा ये स्वार्थक परमेश्वर को चलता है वो तो मनुष्य ही है जो अज्ञान में फंसकर विमोहित होता है। परंतु जिन्होंने परमात्मा तत्व को जान लिया वे इस अज्ञान से मोहित नहीं है, उन्हें परमात्मा के ज्ञान का सदैव अपने प्रकाश से आनंदित करता रहता
We can directly go and visit that Shiv Parvati temple as well. There's a statue, but you need to climb stairs, and it's on quite steep height. And we'll not be going there obviously with kids. It would be tough, but yes, we can go there and. Shivika doesn't want to come back. Sorry, Raina. I don't know why, but I sometimes call Shivika Raina and Raina Shivika. Maybe memory loss. Overall, it's a soothing experience coming here. It's quite peaceful atmosphere here. The environment is quite peaceful. You get spiritual vibes. All the devs, gods, idols are there. Mandir is very beautifully built. It's very clean. And obviously, in the beauty of nature, in the lap of nature, you get such places It's obviously calm and peaceful only, and when it's about temples or any religious place, then definitely it gives a different vibe. So here this sculpture shows the Jalandhar Vadh, wherein Jalandhar was a demon who got killed by Lord Shiva.
दिल की बेकली आ गई जुबान पर, बात ये है तुमसे प्यार है, दिल तूने तो दिया रे, प्यार का राग सुनरी, दिल का भंवर करे पुकार, प्यार का राग सुनो, प्यार का राग सुनो रे। तुम मिटाना पर न तुम गिराना, आंसू की तरह निगाह से, प्यार की ऊंचाई इश्क की गहराई पूछ लो हमारी आह से, आसमां छू लिया प्यार का राग सुनो रे, दिल का भंवर करे पुकार, प्यार का राग सुनो, प्यार का राग सुनो रे। मुझे दिल की आरज़ू उससे मेरी आँख जब मिले,
ये हुई है वीडियो से मंदिर में जाएंगे।
कर दिया
So this is Barok Tunnel. I guess this tunnel is 1 or 2 kilometer. 1 kilometer
almost.
Okay.
Active-all-day is a sign of growth. Nestle Lacto-Grow contains nutrients that support body and brain development. Nestle Lacto-Grow.
So Himachal ends here, so does the mountains. We're back to the satellites.
Enter Haryana.
So it's Pinjore or Panchkula?
Pinjore.
Pinjore.
This is not even Pinjore, this is Kalka. The outskirts of Kalka.
Okay. Okay, the Kalka, the toy train that runs from between Shimla and Kalka.
Yes, you can count this to be the outskirts of the Kalka. You could say bypass to Kalka. We are the bypass to Kalka. Next will be Pinjore, then
Panchkula,
Panchkula.
then Dhamavir. Panchkula, then Chandigarh, and then of course Mohali.